Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to USD or Euro and then transfer it to bank account. So first, you need to open any third-party app to actually be able to transfer to bank account, because Phantom Wallet doesn't have the option to transfer to any bank account, but it can transfer to any other cryptocurrency app. So first, we need to open Coinbase. So as see here is Coinbase, we need to first click on transfer button on the down right corner. After that, you need to click on receive crypto button. Now you need to choose Solana network on the top left, and now you can just copy the wallet address. Now go back to Phantom Wallet and click on the send button. After that, now you need to search for Solana and choose the amount of Solana that you want to sell. So after that, you need to just paste the wallet address that you have copied from Coinbase, and now you need to send all the Solana that you have to Coinbase. And now go back to Coinbase and you will see that you have received the Solana from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. Now to sell it to USD or Euros, you need to click on buy and sell. Now you need to click on sell and choose the amount of Solana that you want to sell, as seen from here. So now you can convert it actually to USD or Euros. Click on sell now. And now to transfer it to bank account, you need to click on transfer again from the home menu and click on withdraw cash. Then now from here you need to add the amount of money that you want to transfer to your bank account. Also you need to add the bank account details. After that, just complete the transaction. And that's it. Now you have successfully transferred the Solana from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.